I'm Yashwant. I'm from Bangalore. I've been working with data science for about more than a decade. For the last 1 year, I've been trying to solve GenAI specific problems for call center analytics. Building a POC with GenAI is super easy, but if you have to solve it to a level where it can be taken to production, it's super hard. I wanted to understand the gap between academia and the production implementation. I've done their earlier bootcamp too. I thought this could probably help me bridge that gap that's there in the industry. I really enjoyed Louis' talk on transformers. Nobody has simplified the math the way Louis simplified it. If I have to pick another one which I really liked, it's Karthik's talk, because that's exactly what I'm trying to solve in my current company. So he has really balanced out the strategic point of view on how to build conversational systems while covering tactical details in the most easiest way. I think connecting those dots was quite helpful. In fact, I actually learned now how do I actually pitch in terms of if I'm building conversational systems, what's the right style. So I understood that from Karthik. I've done quite a few self-paced courses, and I've actually done even cohort-based courses on Maven, quite a few. And what I realized is, you would understand what is what in these courses, but I think that intuition of how do you apply could only be learned when you discuss those ideas with the quorum of people. And that's why I like in-person bootcamp. That's why I came all this way. Everything was already created. All I have to go access those resources, and I can spin up my own notebooks as well as execute the current notebooks. For me to understand the concept, I don't have to figure out the setup issues or the infra issues. Everything is already solved. All I have to use is hit the right notebook and execute it. I think both the bootcamps, right, what I have seen is it's all about problem solving, right? So if you have that right mindset and if you have that aptitude to understand and try and apply how to solve the problem, I think anyone can learn it. Some bit of a coding can help, but even if you don't, we can pick it up. That's not a challenge. I think when you are involved in a bootcamp that is intense for 5 days, where you interact with a lot of people, you ask questions, where you clarify your doubts, and where you fill gaps in your understanding, right? In in-person bootcamps, I think I could easily try and focus my learning towards what I don't know and fill my gaps in the understanding, which is difficult to execute if you are taking an online self-paced course. Anybody who wants to learn it the quickest way, I think you can come and explore the bootcamp.